we're looking at 4 juniors tied to the metals story: Giant Mining, Discovery Silver, Freegold Ventures, and Delta Resources will hit what they own, where they are on the path to production, the upside if silver, gold, and copper run, and the real risks you shouldn't ignore. First, Giant Mining Corp. Flagship, the Majuba Hill copper-silver-gold system in Nevada. Recent work focuses on deeper modeling and incorporating new assays. This is an exploration and early development story. No commercial production yet. Opportunity, U.S. jurisdiction. Copper now labeled a critical mineral, and silver byproduct potential. Risk, they still need resource definition. Economics, permits, financing, the full gauntlet before a mine. As for who's in it, I don't see public filings that Rick Rule or Eric Sprott have disclosed meaningful positions here. This is a high-spec drill risk story. Second, Discovery Silver. Flagship, the Cordero project in Mexico, one of the world's larger development stage silver projects with a completed feasibility study, or FS, which is the full bank economic plan used to decide if a mine is ready to be built. It outlines long mine life and substantial silver equivalent output potential. On the cap table, Eric Sprott has been a notable shareholder. He led or participated in financings historically and has disclosed holdings updates more recently. Opportunity, scale completed FS, leverage to a higher silver price. Risks, construction financing, build execution, and Mexico permitting and operating considerations. Third, Freegold Ventures. Flagship, Golden Summit near Fairbanks.
This had the earmarks of what would develop into a porphyry-ish type of deposit. And those are big. Generally, they're big.
We had an opportunity with Golden Summit to do something that not a lot of companies get the chance to do. Golden Summit is effectively, it's a gold porphyry. And you look around the world and you look at the number of really large gold deposits that are being found in stable jurisdictions. There are not that many. I think Golden Summit is going to be in a class of its own.
Alaska, big upgraded resource, active drilling, and ongoing advancement toward studies. Freegold has repeatedly highlighted Eric Sprott as a major shareholder. He's participated in financings and, per company materials, remains a significant owner. Opportunity, scale in a good jurisdiction, improving grades and optionality to a stronger gold market. Risk, still pre-production, needs a PFS, or pre-feasibility study, which is the early engineering and economic assessment to see if a project might be viable, followed by a full FS, the final detailed blueprint required before a mine is built. They also need permits, financing, and cost control in a high-inflation build environment. Fourth, Delta Resources. Focus, Delta 1 in the Thunder Bay District, gold discovery with active drilling. Delta 2 is polymetallic in Quebec. This is exploration stage, no production. On Who's Watching, Rick Rule has publicly commented that he likes the drill results Delta's been releasing, which puts it on the speculator's radar. Opportunity, discovery torque if they keep hitting and grow a deposit in Ontario. Risks, classic explorer risk, no defined mine yet. Funding cycles, dilution, and time. What it all means for stackers and macro hawks. If silver rallies with falling real yields and a softer dollar, developers like Discovery and advanced explorers like Freegold can re-rate hard. If copper continues tightening as a critical mineral, Giant Mining's story benefits if they advance Majuba meaningfully. Explorers like Delta carry the most torque and the most risk. In plain English, production today means less upside but more certainty. Exploration today means more upside but you're paying with patience and risk tolerance. Quick heat check on big money signals. Eric Sprott, documented financings and disclosed holdings in Discovery Silver and Freegold Ventures. That's tangible. Rick Rule, public commentary noting he likes Delta's drill results. I don't see a disclosed position. No public evidence he or Sprott are backing Giant Mining at this time. My take, if you want silver leverage with real scale, Discovery Silver is the development standout. If you want big optionality in a Tier 1 jurisdiction, Freegold Ventures fits the bill. Gold heavy but relevant to the metals cycle we track. If you swing for Discovery, Delta Resources is the high beta ticket. If you want copper-linked U.S. exposure at the ground floor, giant mining is early, and that's both the appeal and the risk. Disclosure and reminder, nothing here is financial advice. Junior mining is volatile. Always read the latest technical reports and filings, and never bet what you can't afford to lose.